Hello YouTube. On today's video we will gonna see about how we can update our drivers on our PC. So to update our drivers on our PC, we click on the Windows as it is showing on the start button of the window. So after you click that, you can find here several lists. So you click on the device manager. So the device manager have several lists of devices under it as it's showing, which is audio inputs, batteries, Bluetooth, cameras, monitors. Several device lists are available on the device manager. So let's update, for example, the audio inputs, which is here we have arrow which show us several lists of devices under the audio and input, speakers, microphones. So let's update the microphone of the computer. So we will right click on it and we have update drivers, disable device, uninstall properties. So to update, which is pretty commonly, we update the drivers by clicking the update driver, and lists are here, which is search automatically, which is if there is an update for the driver, and browse by your computer for driver softwares. So which is the first, which is automatically if there is a link, it will show us by clicking here. So it will cross check it's finished here, the best driver for your device are already installed. So which is audio endpoint is the installed device for our microphones. And you can even check the properties, which is the date, and even you can make an update under the properties here, which is properties, and which is general driver. Under the driver here it shows the driver provider, which is Microsoft, the driver date, which is 3/18/2019, which is you can check whether it's a recently updated driver or not. You can check the date under the properties and on the driver section of the properties. So it works for all of this mic, which is keyboard, monitor, network adapter, and for all of this devices, which is you can update your driver, which is one of the tools that helps us to communicate with our computers, which is communication bridge. So update your drivers by log into the device manager. If today's video is really helpful for you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Chachi Tech out.